Today topic carboxylic acid. It is also related to carbonyl compounds. See, carboxylic acid. This is the carboxylic acid functional group. Actually, this is the combination of carbonyl. This is the carbonyl means this one. Only C double bond O. OH hydroxyl or hydroxy group actually. Hydroxy group. So in the carboxy, carbo or carbo you can take oxy OXY. This is only carboxy functional groups. Carboxy कहाँ से है? Carbonyl plus hydroxy. The combination that is only carboxy. Okay. Again, IUPAC in IUPAC suffix is oic acid. Then prefix is this is only carboxy. Prefix is carboxy. Right. It is actually maximum main functional group. It is in the carboxylic acids. IUPAC order is given in that highest preference carboxylic acids. Okay. Now, sir, when we will take prefix then, if it is highest, when we will take the prefix, say I will give some examples. First, the chapter starting, nomenclature, general. Okay, you can write these two things. Carboxy. Now, nomenclature. See, in the nomenclature, starting 2-3 compounds, you have to remember common names. Important. IUPAC name to remember करने का जरूरत नहीं. You have to know the basic rules. That's enough. Now, first one. HC double bond OH. Formic acid, common name is formic acid. ये common name कहाँ से आता है? Common name is coming from natural source. Okay, formica means ant releasing acid, formic acid. लेकिन IUPAC it has fixed rules. One carbon is there, meth, single bonds in, functional group name is there, suffix. So meth. Single bond, sir, double bond is there. That double bond you should not consider. Double bond means here C double bond C triple bond C. That is unsaturation. So here only one carbon is there. That means there is no chance to form unsaturation. Meth plus oic acid. So every time no need to write like this. The final name I am writing. Methanoic acid. Methanoic, see, vowels should not come continuous. So I am removing one E. You may ask, sir, instead of E you can cut O. No, because functional group का नाम है oic acid. So that name as it is we can keep. Then methanoic acid. Right. Next, one more carbon. HCH2 C double bond OH. Why I am writing like this? I will tell you that. First you write name. Ethanoic acid. So, sorry. Ethanoic acid is the IUPAC name. Acetic acid. Common name is acetic acid. Here ethanoic acid. Two carbons are there. Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Next, see. Next is CH2, CH2. One more CH2 increase. OH, acetic acid. Third carbon onwards, similar. IUPAC and common name. Small difference is there. See here, propionic acid. Propionic acid. This is propanoic acid. Spelling just difference. Propane. If I keep E, propanoic acid. What is the difference? Almost same. Propionic, PIO, PA, बस इतना ही difference. Next, fourth carbons, butyric acid, butanoic acid. Butyric acid, okay, 5 carbons we will write. See the difference here, every time CH2 group is increasing, CH2 group is increasing. Okay, one CH2 group, what it is called? Propanoic acid. Every time one CH2 group is increasing. One name is there. Anyone can tell that? CH2, 3 CH2 groups. Butyric acid. Butyric. This one butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. I will write up to 5 because the fifth one, little difference. CH3, CH2 taken 3, COOH, total 5. Instead of penteric or like that, it is different name, that is valeric acid. Valeric acid. Valeric acid. We need to remember this. Valeric acid. Here there is no need to remember anything. Just sequence but, then pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. Okay, this name, what is the series? Anyone? Methylene. CH2 is the methylene, okay. This is called homologous series. Sometimes the question will ask, in the carboxylic acid, in the carboxylic acid series, what is the third compound? See, the question is, in the carboxylic acid homologous series. In the carboxylic acid homologous series, what is the third compound? 1, 2, 3. Third compound ये होगा. Suppose alkene में homologous series में third one. Suppose alkene कहाँ से शुरू होता है? Minimum 2 carbon से शुरू होता है. Third मतलब ethene तो first one होगा. Propane, butene होगा. Okay? ये series होता है homologous series. ये तो class 10 में था. Homologous series में क्या होता है? एक sequence just CH2 group is increasing every time. In the molecular mass, 14 increasing, 14 units. If you know this molecular mass has 14 extra, more, 14 more. Because CH2 group extra adding, that's only, remaining as it is. This is the homologous series. Homologous series. Okay. Now, next, dicarboxylic acid. The di also again names important the names. It is very important. It will come in the physical chemistry, organic chemistry, practical chemistry. Okay, in different chapters. Oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. Once I will recall you the differences. Alcohol is there. CH2OH, CH2OH. What is its name? CH2OH, CH2OH. Bulgar. Yes. Glycol. Very good. Glycol. This one, glyoxol. Glyoxol. This is oxalic acid. Okay. Right. Here one more CH2OH is there, that is called glycerol. Glycerol. वो soap preparation में byproduct, that is glycerol. Nowadays soaps also are there. Soaps, glycerol soap बोलते हैं. वो transparent जैसे दिखते हैं. Right. Oxalic acid, IUPAC को ethane 1,2 dioic acid. Ethane. Now you need to write last E also. Whenever di, tri, poly functional groups are there, you need to write last E. The simple logic is ethane 1,2 di. See, D letter is coming. In that case, no problem. हमारा प्रॉब्लम इसमें इतना ही था, 2 vowels साथ में नहीं आना चाहिए बस. So di, tri case में 100% there is no 2 vowels. That's why you can write complete E. Ethane 1,2 dioic acid. Right. Next. Every time I will give this example. I think last time also I given you. Just like E type is there, right? E type में here OH is there, that is a citric acid. Yes. Now, IUPAC name of this. There is no common name. IUPAC name. See IUPAC name. What is the long chain here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. 5 carbons is the long chain. What is the IUPAC name? Anyone? What is the IUPAC name of this? Propane 1,2,3 tricarboxylic acid. Excellent. See, general misconception is here we will start numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pentane dioic acid. ठीक है. If it is methyl OH other than COOH is there, you can take numbering from here. Pentane dioic acid. But this is also functional group COOH. It is also functional group COOH. So we need to give same preference. Maximum we will try. If it is not, then कोशिश करेंगे maximum. ठीक है. So what I am doing, equal preference means I am not giving number to this carbon, this carbon, this carbon. So I am taking long chain here only. 1, 2, 3 only. Then it is propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. See, oic acid is coming whenever in the long chain COOH is present. मतलब COOH को number दिया था इधर. Here I am not giving numbering for COOH. In that case, see the name propane 1, 2, 3 tri carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Okay, starting में we written suffix and prefix. If you have space, you can write suffix like this. One more suffix you can write suffix carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Note the bracket. When COH is not included in the chain, not included in the parent chain, or you can write sir parent chain में तो है. You may get that type of doubts also. In that case, you can write instead of this when carboxylic acid is not when carboxylic acid not included in the parent chain. Okay. That's enough. So one hint I am telling, when we are not giving numbering to this COH, that case carboxylic acid name you have to take. That is the thing. Okay. So that meaning is okay almost right. Understood? When COH is not given numbering, in that case carboxylic acid name. Okay, one more example I will give. Cyclohexane, COOH. You will start numbering from COH या cyclohexane. See, numbering कभी भी ring and chain is separate. Ring and chain is separate. Okay, so in that case you have to give numbering from here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cyclohexane, first position COH. The COH is not given number, so cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Suppose butane is there, CH2, COOH. Here 2 carbons, here 4 carbons. Now which is more preferred? Numbering to separate देना है. ठीक है. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1. Right. Functional will be the first preference. 1 and 2. So what to do in this case? This cyclopentane ring is a substitution now. क्यों? Because the functional group. So first preference. So first it is ethanoic acid. In the ethanoic acid, it is a substitution. So what can I write here? 2-cyclobutyl ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. You can observe one more thing here. I am not writing ethanoic acid position. Nowhere. So no need also. No need because COH कभी भी number 1 पे रहता है. Okay. Even aldehyde case में भी aldehyde also 1 पे रहता है. That's why you no need to write. If dicarboxylic acid is there, you need to mention that. Okay. 2-cyclobutyl ethanoic acid. Right. Same type of example. COOH, COOH, COOH. See बीच में और एक कार्बन है. ठीक है, for understanding CH2COH, right? Now what is the long chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. कोई भी ले लो. 4, 5. See, if I leave it COH, then what will happen? 1, 2, 3. फिर भी same thing नहीं. CH2COH is there, here COH is there. So we cannot give carboxy that time. So now there is no other option. That's why I am considering from one terminal to another terminal long chain. Done. So pentane 1,5 dioic acid is the main name. It's over. But what about this one? This third position, carboxy. We written that prefix. That prefix you are using now. Okay. 3. Third position, carboxymethyl. Carboxymethyl. Carboxymethyl plus remaining pentane 1,5 dioic acid. Pentane 1,5 dioic acid. Okay. Now what it is? Vinyl CH2 alkene ethene. The vinyl group is a carboxylic acid. Okay. Now this one is common name is acrylic acid. Acrylic acid. Acrylic acid. Next, it is important. COOH, malic acid, malic acid, malic acid बोलते हैं. Spelling you can see malic acid. दूसरा होता है ये तो cis है. It is cis compound. Now COOH is a trans position. Fumaric acid trans. Malic male opposite female like that. Just link करना है बस, ज़्यादा डेप्थ में नहीं जाना. Malic acid and fumaric acid. cis trans. ये important इसलिए था, एक बार आया था MCQ में. Which has more boiling points, which is more stable. That type of questions are there. Here, hydrogen bond is possible. Okay, so I will give that point here only. So when hydrogen bond is possible means easily can release hydrogen. So acidic strength, if I talk about Ka is malic acid is more than fumaric. Malic acid is higher than fumaric acid. What it is? Ka means acidic strength. Why it is more? Because here hydrogen bond is possible. Since you can write due to hydrogen bond. Okay, then few more dicarboxylic acid nomenclature. See one code. Oh my! I think recently I given you this. Oh my! Such good apple. One more time you can write it. No problem. Say in between COOH and COOH. If there is no CH2, that is O indicating 0 and O indicating oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. If COOH and COOH in between one CH2 is there. M, malonic acid. Don't confuse that. That is malic acid. It is malonic acid. Malonic acid. Malonic acid. Okay. Next, COOH, CH2, CH2. Two CH2 groups are there. Two CH2 groups are there. Oh my, such succinic acid. Succinic acid. It is also, it will come again in the next chapters. Succinamide, succinic acid. Already MCPBA, metachloro. Succinic acid, succinamide is there. In the amino acids, it will come. Succinamide. Okay. Next, G. COOH, COOH. In between COOH, COOH. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 CH2 groups. 3 CH2 groups. Shortly I am writing CH2 taken thrice. Then G. G for glutaric acid. It is also amino acid. Again it will come. Glutaric acid. Glutaric acid. Last 4 carbons are there in between COOH. 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 In the between 4. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Succinic acid. Adipic acid. Adipic acid. Adipic acid. Okay. Here, this succinic acid and glutaric acid, adipic acid. These all three. Again, in the next chapters, it will come. Oxalic acid, that is well known. It's compulsory. Physics, physical chemistry may be important. Volumetric analysis, you will use this one. Malonic acid इसलिए important है. Malonic and malic में कुछ confusion होता है. That's why you should know clearly what is malic and malonic. इसके साथ fumaric acid also. Then इसके पहले एक आया था pyruvic acrylic acid. Acrylic acid again it will come in the polymer chapter. Okay. Over. CH3 C double bond O COOH. Pyruvic acid. Ketone group is there. Pyruvic acid. Then lactic acid क्या था? COOH, HOH, CH3. Lactic acid. See, whatever I am giving, these all are important in the different chapters, in the different topics, again it will come. Okay, that's why lactic acid. The liquid citric acid वापस you can write it. COOH, COOH, OH. Wait. One, two, three, four, five, one. Okay, just like E, COOH, three groups. Here OH extra is there. What is it? Citric acid. Citric acid. Next, one more. Tartaric acid. COOH, COOH. बीच में HOH, HOH. Tartaric acid. Tartaric acid. ये भी आ गए थे इसके पहले सोडियम पोटेशियम टार्टरेट. Tartaric acid. Okay. Now aromatic. Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. The aromatic compounds are common names and IUPAC name. Many common names considered as IUPAC names. Okay. So benzoic acid. Phthalic acid. ये प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऐसा होता है phthalic acid, लेकिन इसके पहले two letters are there, PH silent. Phthalic acid. Okay, it will come again. Name reaction में भी है. Phthalic acid. If you remove the water molecule, phthalic anhydride. If you react with amine, ammonia, that is phthalamide. 3 times it will come. Phthalic acid, phthalic anhydride, phthalamide. Next, acid derivatives. Acid derivatives. First, I will write all acid derivatives. Take it one component, right? Cl instead of methyl, R. See, in place of OH, what is that? carboxylic acid or C double bond OH. OH is the minus. So OH की जगह पे chlorine Cl minus. So acid chloride. Here OR ester. C double bond O NH2 minus. Amide or C double bond O बीच में okay what it is acid chloride see acid halide भी ले सकते generally compound is chloride लेते chloride and bromides fluoride and iodide कभी भी नहीं रहता that's why acid chloride will take acid chloride common name है तो acid halide होता है next it is ester amide anhydride anhydride एसिड क्लोराइड का सफिक्स ऑयल क्लोराइड OYL ऑयल क्लोराइड नेम alkanoyl chloride alkanoyl chloride alkanoyl chloride ester O8 suffix O8 name alkyl alkanoate alkyl alkanoate amide spelling E also is there amide suffix amide के लिए तो amide only amide name alkanamide anhydride oic anhydride oic anhydride alkanoic anhydride alkanoic anhydride alkanoic anhydride okay note down this fast we'll take 1-2 examples each then over right see H is there for alkyl okay here methanol chloride IUPAC name है तो methanol chloride Alka means alkane. Alkane nomenclature. One carbon is there. Methane, methane, methane. I am writing last. Methane also. Last E. We should cut it. Methane. I am removing the E. Then oil. Methanol chloride. Methanol chloride. इसका कॉमन नेम क्या होगा? कॉमन नेम होगा फॉर्माइल क्लोराइड. फॉर्माइल क्लोराइड. फॉर्माइल क्लोराइड. इतना तो पता है ना. विच इज द कॉमन नेम, विच इज आईयूपीएस नेम. मीथ ईथ प्रोप आ गए मतलब आईयूपीएस. ओके, दूसरा नाम है तो जनरल कॉमन नेम. नेक्स्ट हियर methanol group. This one here R group. R group में भी कुछ तो लेना है. Here I cannot take H. Okay, H. If you take H, तो carboxylic acid. So minimum CH3. You can take any other also. See name alkyl alkanoate. Which is the alkyl? This one is the alkyl. It is a substitution because here it is a long chain. This is a substitution. Methyl, only one carbon is there. Methanoate. Methyl methanoate. Methyl methanoate. Methyl methanoate. What is the common name? Common name is, see, formic acid का derivative. It is nothing but formic acid. So formate like that. Methyl formate. Methyl formate. See, actually this nomenclature, if you take like this, very easy, you can understand. ये HrCH3 ठीक है. What it is? CH3COO-Na. H है तो acetic acid. Okay, Na is there. Sodium acetate. Sodium acetate या sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल है H2SO4 सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. Na2SO4 सोडियम सल्फेट. साल्ट है ना. 8 सोडियम सल्फेट. सोडियम एसिटेट 8 like that. Methyl formate. Methyl acetate. Methyl propanoate. Salt type nomenclature. Okay, so like that you can remember. Methyl methanoate, methyl formate. Right here hydrogen. Alkanamide, मतलब this is only. Formamide is the common name. Methanamide is IUPAC name. Methanamide. Methane. Don't write last E. Methane. Methanamide. Amide. Methanamide. Common name formamide. Formamide. Here R group. कोई भी ले लो. I'm taking CH3. CH3. Then ये कहाँ से आया? It is nothing but acetic acid. See, if you add water, then what will happen? Somewhere bond will break up. Here OH, here H. CH3COOH, carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid. CH3COOH, that is also ethanoic acid. So this product obtained from ethanoic acid by removing water molecule. Anhydride means removing water molecule. From where water molecule removed? Acetic acid. So acetic anhydride. Okay. Common name is acetic anhydride. IUPAC name ethanoic anhydride. Ethanoic anhydride because it was ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid था, अभी anhydride बस. Ethanoic Anhydride. Anhydride. Common name acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Okay. Similarly, you can write any names. So each one example I will give you. Now in the bond line notation, you have to identify. I'm giving names. Structure, you need to write name. See each function loop. I given you one example. If you are able to write this, means you understood clearly. Now tell me, first compound name. First compound name. How many you written? Give response. Two methyl propanyl chloride. Very good. Number is 1, 2, 3. 2 methyl long chain 3 propanoyl chloride. Good. Next, second. Two methyl propanoate. Very good. 2 methyl propanoate. 2 methyl is not required. Methyl propanoate. Here methyl group is there. Okay. Position, how can you give the 2? No. Just methyl propanoate. Methyl propanoate. You write continuous. Here there is no space. Written 2 lines. Next, third one. Okay. 2 methyl means second question answer. Right. Understood. Now third one. See here it is not a hydrogen, it's a methyl. Okay, methyl and methyl is there. Suppose hydrogen है तो you can give name for, suppose just you can imagine if hydrogen is there, in that case you give the name, then if methyl is there, then what will happen? If hydrogen is there, what is the name? Here instead of methyl, hydrogen is there. Then what is the name? N-dimethyl propanamide is the correct answer, but small correction. N comma N dimethyl. Two times we have to write. N comma N dimethyl. See, if hydrogen is there, propanamide. Numbering 1, 2, 3. You should not give number to nitrogen. Propanamide. Again, two methyl substitutions are there. So substitution we will write first. Substitution position nitrogen के ऊपर था. That's why N comma N dimethyl. 2 के ऊपर है तो 2 comma 2 dimethyl will write. Like that, N comma N dimethyl. Remaining name as this. Propanamide. Propanamide. Okay. Then last fourth one. Both sides not same groups, different is there. So first rough work करना है इसका. Just you break the bond anywhere. So I am adding here hydrogen and OH. Then what will happen? It is CH3, CH3 COOH, acetic acid, CH3 CH2 COOH, propanoic acid. Okay, I given you hint. Now tell me the name. I given you hint here. One is ethanoic acid, the other one is propanoic acid. This anhydride derived from ethanoic acid and propanoic acid. If both sides same is there, suppose here one more methyl is there, propanoic anhydride. Here suppose this methyl is not there, ethanoic anhydride. But here two different groups are there. Anyone give an answer? No? Okay. Ethanoic and propanoic anhydride. Two are there. Two we have to mention that. Alphabetical order we have to follow. Ethanoic will come first. Right? That is the only answer. Ethanoic, then propanoic anhydride. That means this anhydride is forming by ethanoic acid and propanoic acid. That is only indication. Only propanoic acid is there means only propanoic acid was there. Only ethanoic acid means the raw material is only ethanoic acid. From that we remove the water molecule and hydrate together. Right. So are different types of examples over. Next, reactivity. In the aldehyde and ketones, which is more reactive? I mean, given that reactivity order, aldehydes, benzaldehyde, ketone, the reactivity order. Suppose one is formaldehyde is there, acetaldehyde is there, okay, acetone is there, then acetaldehyde is there. 1, 2, 3, then benzaldehyde is there. 4, then 5. CH3, CO, CH3 is there. Then 6, both sides benzene is there. Now give me reactivity order. This already this chapter over. Reactivity order. Just give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. It is not same order. Okay, I am asking the question. What is the order? Reactivity increasing order. Write the increasing or decreasing order. Better. Write increasing order. Increasing order. One, 3, 2, 5, 6. 1, 3, 2, 5, 6. Where is the 4? 1, 3, 2, 4. 2 के बाद 4. 2 के बाद 4 और 2 के पहले 4. Any others? 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. Sure. एसीटोन एंड सी कंफ्यूजन ये दोनों में है ना 2 and 4 में एसीटोन एंड बेंजाल्डिहाइड which is more reactive 1 3 4 2 पूजा 1 3 2 4 1 3 4 2 right finally answer 1 3 4 2 then 5 6 ये 1 3 4 all are aldehyde aldehydes first aromatic aliphatic पहले उसके बाद ketones okay among the aldehydes here formaldehyde is more reactive because there is no donating groups here one donating group is there here just plus inductive group is plus mesomeric effect okay student will confuse here sir ये तो mesomeric effect था ये तो normal inductive लेकिन both side is there and here hyperconjugation is there hyperconjugation is similar to resonance type but it's not exactly equal here also electron completely shifting okay but sigma bond shifting is difficult that is there sigma bond shifting is difficult क्योंकि तो sigma bond तोड़ना है but the resonance is simply that is a pi bond electron finally conclusion ये था one side steric indents free sterically free here both sides steric indents is there see here reactivity दोनों पे डिपेंड होता है एक तो पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए दूसरा स्टेरिकली फ्री मतलब फ्री स्पेस ओपन स्पेस होना चाहिए बेंजाल्डिहाइड में ये एरिया पूरा खाली हाइड्रोजन मतलब तो कुछ नहीं ठीक है हियर बोथ साइड्स ऑलरेडी ब्लॉक्ड okay that is also one of the reason so aldehyde first then ketones right now we are talking about carboxylic acid derivatives here also reactivity order okay you write that order CH3 C double bond O NH2. इससे बेटर CH3 C double bond O OR. नहीं इस ओके नेक्स्ट इससे बेटर CH3 C double bond O. Don't write, just wait. C double bond O CH3. See here, amide, ester, anhydride, and chloride, which has more electron. See, reactivity. Yes, reactivity means generally here nucleophile is attacking. Nucleophile attacking where generally at carbon. In all cases, oxygen minus carbon delta plus. Oxygen minus carbon delta plus. Oxygen delta minus carbon delta plus. Delta minus delta plus. Now nucleophile, where this nucleophile easily can attack, that depends on this positive nature. Quantity wise the positive only one positive, but where the more positive, see left side all CH3 groups, उस पे कोई depend नहीं. Now the deciding factor is right side. Here right side NH2 group is there. Here OCH3 it has lone pairs. Here also lone pair is there. Acyl group. Here chlorine is there. Now tell me where electron deficiency is more. Where electron deficiency is more. I am giving number 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one, right? See, electron donating capacity, it has lone pair, this one also lone pair. ये दोनों में difference क्या है? Electron negativity less, so easily it can give. Here it has lone pair, but it won't give. Comparatively less, मतलब maximum here it is neutralized, means less reactive, least reactive. So reactivity order ये दोनों में इसका ज़्यादा है. Now here oxygen, here also oxygen. Here oxygen completely towards this. Lekin here 50% this side, 50% this side. मतलब the donating capacity कम हो गया, मतलब positive nature ज़्यादा होगा. So this reactivity is more. Next here chlorine. See, chlorine has 3 lone pairs. लेकिन it is the periodic table second and third period element. It is third period element, atomic size bigger. In between third period elements, you can see any example, there is no pi bond formation. In between silicon, in between phosphorus, in between chlorine, there is no pi bond. Why? because when atomic size is bigger, ये दोनों के बीच में pi bond it's not possible. So the pi bond nature is decreasing while atomic size is increasing. Okay, right? So here also similar explanation. The pi bond it's for considering, of course, plus mesomeric effect is there as well, minus inductive effect also is there. Two things. Then plus mesomeric effect means electrons should give easily, but due to the big atomic size, the pi bond nature is very less, so it is not giving as well. Minus inductive effect is there, so finally reactivity is more because here positive nature is more. This is one thing. And the second thing we can explain, living group which can live easily, Cl minus living, then acetate, OCH3 minus, then NH2 minus. The living tendency also. Decide. Here I kept this star mark because if we compare carbonyl compound, aldehyde and ketones, so here in this position, मतलब ester and anhydride के बीच में carbonyl compounds will come. Carbonyl compounds here again, aldehyde is higher than ketone. Aldehyde higher than ketones. ये पोजीशन, इसका पोजीशन ये है, मतलब aldehyde से भी acid chloride is more reactive. Generally ketones and aldehyde में aldehyde is more reactive, but aldehyde से more reactive anhydrides as well as acid chloride. Okay, so these things over. Now after IUPAC क्या होता है generally? Preparations. Give the heading. Preparations. First one, from alcohols. See, many of the reactions repeating from the alcohols. Alcohol chapter में chemical properties में आया था. Primary alcohols. In the presence of KMnO4 या K2Cr2O7, these are oxidized to carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids. So this oxidizing power in acidic medium it is more. That's why you can take acidic medium. Actually, बीच में aldehyde is forming, but aldehyde is very unstable. That is very sensitive group. Immediately forming carboxylic acid. So you can write direct answer carboxylic acid. Next, from carbonyl compounds. From aldehydes. Already this reaction also came. RCH4 tolens failing. This KMnO4 K2CR2O7 is the common. It is also forming carboxylic acid. Next, from alkenes. From alkenes. So alkenes, the last chapter, what we did, ozonolysis. If you do the ozonolysis, what will happen? Aldehyde and ketones. Like in there, we discussed, I think reagents may be discussed, acidic ozonolysis, oxidative ozonolysis and reductive ozonolysis. In the reductive ozonolysis, what will happen? Just will remove the double bond and joining one oxygen, each carbon. Aldehyde and ketones are forming. Like in oxidative ozonolysis, further one more step is there, that aldehyde becoming carboxylic acid. Okay, oxidative ozonolysis. That is one thing. And the second one is KMnO4 in acidic medium. KMnO4 in acidic medium. So you have to recall that Bayer's reagent. What is the Bayer's reagent? Bayer's reagent. Bayer's reagent. Okay, I will tell the reagent. What is the product you need to tell? Alkaline diluted alkaline, cold diluted alkaline KMnO4. Cold diluted alkaline KMnO4. That is the base. Cold diluted alkaline KMnO4. KMnO4 power is reduced by basic medium. Alkaline matlab बहुत less reactive. Diluted in that again less reactive. उसमें भी cold और कम है. हाँ, उस टाइम में भी इतना रिएक्शन होता है. क्या कर सकते हो? It can convert this alkene into diols. It can convert alkene into diols. R CH OH and OH. It is converting into diols. Cover. Cold diluted alkaline KMnO4. Suppose if I take KMnO4 in acidic medium. KMnO4 in acidic medium. That means ये तो होगा और आगे भी होगा, है ना? आगे. What is that? So this bond, one more bond also will break up. These two bonds will break up. Okay, then what will happen? Aldehyde. लेकिन aldehyde again sensitive group. आगे carboxylic acid. So simply this both becomes carboxylic acid. So direct product I am writing RC. This C becomes COOH. Then right side CH3 COOH. Both are forming carboxylic acid. Okay, इसके लिए one extra question, that is practice question I can say. H plus KMnO4, right? Methyl double bond CH double bond CH2. Yes. Can you write this? KMnO4 H plus. What are the products? So here bond will break it. Here also bond will break it. Then what will be the product here? CH3, C double bond O, CH3, one product. This one, CH, C double bond O. Hydrogen is there. Actually क्या था? तो hydrogen, C double bond O, H. Okay, this aldehyde. Aldehyde, ये तो KMnO4. In the presence of KMnO4, aldehyde immediate carboxylic acid. So the H becomes OH. Here also H becomes OH. What is this? Oxalic acid forming. Oxalic acid. अभी इधर और एक बात की देखो C double bond O, hydrogen and hydrogen. लेकिन aldehyde immediately getting oxidation. That means OH. Again this one also OH. We know that on same carbon, if two OH groups are there, unstable, then what will happen? Remove one water molecule. Then what will happen? H2O. Remaining is CO2. It is nothing but H2O plus CO2. So finally these are the products. One is forming acetone. See, one more note point. Acetone furtherly not getting oxidation. Aldehyde getting oxidation. Okay. So here acetone, this oxalic acid, carbon dioxide, water. Understood? What I did? KMnO4, where the double bond is there, I break the double bond, I added each carbon one oxygen. Okay? Next step. The C double bond O attached, if hydrogen is there, that will get oxidation. What it becomes? H become OH. Here there is no hydrogen, so no further oxidation. Here hydrogen was there, this position, star mark, these are the star carbons. Hydrogen was there, the hydrogen becoming OH. Here also hydrogen become OH. Sir, what about here? Here also same, two hydrogens are there, two OH I given. But it is carbonic acid, H2CO3. It is very unstable because two OH group on same carbon. Removing one water molecule, it is whole chemistry में the same term. In each and every chapter, I am repeating this. Two OH groups are there on single carbon. Immediately removing one water molecule. Okay, H and OH left becomes C double bond O. That is carbon dioxide plus water. Understood? So now carbonyl compounds, aldehyde से भी we prepared, alkanes, from alkanes we prepared, from alcohols we prepared. Three things. These all three things already इसके पहले हम learn किया था. And again that is a natural thing. We will forget everything. Okay? ये तो alkene chapter में भी आया था. Next इसके पहले reagents में भी आया था. Next, from acid derivatives, from acid derivatives, from acid derivatives. In one step reaction, we will get carboxylic acid in one step only. First of all, R C double bond O Cl, acid chloride. What to do? Just hydrolysis. There is no reagent, catalyst, something extra. Only water. Acidic medium में water better. H3O plus becomes carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. HOH. So byproduct is HCl, obviously. Next. First one over. Second. Amide NH2. Here this bond is breaking like this. I observed the notes. See, sometimes for understanding, I am writing like this. Sometimes I am writing zigzag line. So you are also writing same. No. If you write, you can write with red pen or pencil. What will happen? वो तो fixed हो जाएगा बाद में. ऐसा है तो methyl group है. ठीक है? Like tertiary methyl like that. You should not write like that. Okay, for understanding, I am writing. Best thing is just you write only dots. Sometimes I will do like this zigzag line, but you need to put just dots. OB, use another color. Pen, दूसरा pen means red pen या pencil. Okay. Right. So hydrolysis में क्या होता है? Addition of water. So here hydrogen, here OH, NH2, hydrogen and OH. What is the product here? Same carboxylic acid. Byproduct is NH3. Then third one, ester. H3O plus. So same. Bond cleavage. Where you will do? You can do it anywhere. So this is the same. Byproduct CH3O HOH. So methyl alcohol. If you take here ethyl, obviously you will get ethyl alcohol. Then anhydride. Any place you can break it, either this position or this position. I am removing here. So OH, H required here, OH. So RCOOH, RCOOH. Say 2 moles. 2 moles of RCOOH. Suppose if you are taking R dash, then one is RCOOH, other one is R dash COOH. 2 carboxylic acids. Only one step, all carboxylic acid derivatives. Okay. So along with this 4, one more is there, that is also hydrolysis. But the thing is that is not acid derivative, direct product nahi. That is RCN, cyanides. Cyanides. Here, if you do partial hydrolysis, partial H3O plus, it is forming amide. RC double bond O NH2. Amide is forming. Then again, if you do the hydrolysis, same thing, second reaction. H3O plus, furtherly forming carboxylic acid NH3. Okay, next. From haloalkanes से 3 chlorines है तो वो भी कर सकते हैं, 3 chlorines. Okay, one reaction you will write. from haloalkanes. From haloalkanes or CHCl3 is there, then aqueous KOH, then R CH, 3 chlorines, 3 OH groups. So from 2 OH groups are there, simply you can remove water molecule OH. Here the bonds prepare like this. So R C double bond O OH. CHCl, right? See, just correction. RCCl3, not CHCl. If you take only CHCl3, that becomes formic acid. Okay, then suppose here benzene is there. Sometimes you will take toluene, indirect reactions. Toluene HNO Cl2 is given A product. This A product is react with aqueous KOH is forming B. What is the B? देखो HNO and chlorine means outside ring substitution reaction takes place. So 3 chlorines are there, 3 items are there. So 3 chlorines CCl3, here benzene. Right, aqueous KOH. So chlorines substituting by OH. So benzene carbon 3 OH groups, but it is unstable. You should not write this. Okay. So next it is forming into carboxylic acid. C double bond OH. Carboxylic acid. Ten 40 the current. Okay, only one reaction is there. I will give that. Next. Okay, written like this, right? Suppose if I take any other alkydes, CH2, CH3, then KMnO4, strong oxidizing agent is there, then it becomes carboxylic acid. Benzyl position. Like in note point is suppose here 3 methyl groups are there. That means there is no benzyl hydrogen. There is no hydrogen. If you react with KMnO4, no reaction. Bus. Preparations over. Chemical properties are there. Okay, tomorrow we can discuss. So in the coming Saturday exam, only aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketones. Okay. You practice material. I will send some more questions today.